Hello there, welcome to Rajya Sabha TV. I'm Ashwarya Kapoor with you. Here are all the updates related to global coronavirus pandemic. Across the world now, more than 4.9 million people have been infected with novel coronavirus, and the death toll due to COVID-19 worldwide is now more than 3,24,000. The WHO has approved an inquiry into the global coronavirus pandemic. So a resolution was adopted yesterday at the 73rd World Health Assembly session that was holding a two-day meeting through video conferencing in Geneva, and at the meeting this resolution was adopted. None of the 194 members gave their any objection to this resolution. As a result, this resolution was adopted. Now this resolution calls for an inquiry into the origin of the coronavirus pandemic and also the global response to the pandemic, and this also includes the WHO's response to the pandemic. And now news from the US. The US accounts for the maximum number of cases of coronavirus worldwide. The cases in the US have now crossed the 1.5 million mark, and the death toll due to COVID-19 in US is more than 93,000. However, US President Donald Trump has called the high number of cases in his country as a badge of honor, because he says that it shows that we are testing more and more people, and that is basically showing the testing facilities of the country. And US President Donald Trump has also said that he's considering a travel ban from Latin America because of the high number of coronavirus cases that are being reported from there. And now news from Latin America. So Latin America has been witnessing a sudden jump in the number of cases and deaths, and majority of these cases and deaths have been reported from Brazil. So Brazil yesterday had its worst day ever since the pandemic began, because it reported the highest number of cases and deaths in one single day yesterday ever since the pandemic began. So 17,408 new cases were reported in Brazil, and in total Brazil now has more than 271,000 cases, and 1,179 deaths were also reported in one single day. And that means that Brazil now accounts for more than 18,000 deaths due to COVID-19. So Brazil is now the country with the fourth highest number of coronavirus cases after US, Russia and Spain. But the way in which the numbers are jumping every day, it is expected that in a day or two Brazil will become the country with the third highest number of cases. And now news from Colombia. So Colombia has also extended its quarantine measures till the end of this month. So till 31st of May, all the quarantine measures are going to be there. Colombia has about 17,000 cases of coronavirus. And now news from Venezuela. Now Venezuela has very few cases of coronavirus, only 650. But the towns that are bordering Colombia and Brazil are witnessing a jump in the number of cases. So what Venezuela has done is that it has put curfew in these border towns that are witnessing a jump in the number of cases. So yesterday Venezuela reported 131 new cases in one single day, which was the highest number of cases reported in one single day in the country ever since the pandemic began. As a result, these curfews have been imposed in these regions that are bordering Brazil and Colombia. And now news from Asia. First up, news from Japan. So Japan has been witnessing a dip in the number of cases. For many days now, it has been reporting less than 30 cases in one single day. Yesterday also only 31 new cases were reported in one single day. Just few weeks back, Japan was reporting 100 to 300 cases in one single day, but these cases have dropped. In total, Japan has about 17,000 cases of coronavirus, but since the numbers are dropping, as a result, Japan is going to consider lifting of the state of emergency from the rest of the prefectures as well. So last week also Japan had lifted state of emergency from majority of its prefectures, but the 8 hard-hit prefectures that include Tokyo and Osaka, they still have a state of emergency in place. And now news from Singapore. So Singapore has announced that it is going to lift its state of lockdown from the 1st of June, since the number of cases in Singapore also have dropped. So it is going to transition into the new normal from the 1st of June, with some of the measures continuing, of course. And now news from Thailand. So the Thai film industry have been instructed not to shoot any love scene, any violence or any act that involves close contact. And the idea is to contain the spread of coronavirus in the country. And finally, the World Bank says that it expects that 60 million people are going to fall into extreme poverty due to global coronavirus pandemic. So the World Bank defines extreme poverty as living on less than $1.9 per person per day. And the World Bank says that already people have lost their jobs, the businesses are falling, and it expects that due to COVID-19 pandemic, more than 60 million people are going to enter into extreme poverty. The World Bank also said that it expects that the global economic growth will shrink by 5% this year. So those were all the updates related to global coronavirus pandemic. Thanks for watching.